I'm pretty sure that many of you watching this video use Telegram to chat with your friends and family. It's a great messaging app. Most people don't know about this, but you can actually use it as a sustainable source of income. In today's video, we're exploring 4 ways you can earn money using Telegram. I'll show you exactly how it's done. It's actually much easier than you expect. We're not talking about bots. Bots can be great, but can also be complicated and time-consuming. Instead, I'm gonna show you the easiest and fastest way to start making money on Telegram today. The easiest way to get started is by creating a Telegram community. If you're a creator, turn your audience into community members, gather them into a Telegram community, and talk about it on social media. Or if you're an expert, use your knowledge and share your expertise. You might be thinking, I'm not an expert. I don't have a huge social media following. You don't need to be an expert or have a massive following to get started. If you don't know where to start, the key is to identify a subject or topic you're passionate about. This could be anything, from fitness routines to book clubs and cooking recipes. You do know something and you've got information you can share with other people. And you might be surprised by how many people are on the internet with very similar interests. To know more about what a Telegram group is and how to set it up, you can check out this step-by-step guide video we made. Now, how can you start earning money on Telegram? First is by gating your community. Make your community exclusive and set up a paid membership. See, Telegram currently doesn't have this feature. What you can do is connect your Telegram group to a website such as NAS.io. So this is the website, and here's how it works. Create a paid community in just a few clicks. On your portal, go to Settings, select Chat. Here, you can connect your Telegram. It's a straightforward process. Click Continue, and the integration is complete. You can now share the link to your community members. Members can pay you directly on the website or through the app, and only paying members you approved can access your Telegram group. Let's say you charge $30 per month and you have 100 members. That's $3,000 monthly recurring revenue. This is one of the most sustainable ways to earn money on Telegram. If you run a creator community, you could offer a premium membership that includes weekly content creation workshops, tips, and exclusive live Q&A sessions with creators. You can add multiple payment plans, monthly, quarterly, biannually, and even an annual plan. You can also add discount codes and free trial options for your members. This is NAS Daily's creator community, and he's making around $50,000 a year. He's charging $29 a month for people to get access to his Telegram community, where they can join his weekly workshops, network, and get access to members-only courses. Another way of making money on Telegram is by selling digital products. It's great if you already have existing resources like guides or ebooks. You can just upload them and just grab the link, share it with your Telegram group members, and direct interested members to a payment link to purchase. You can also launch a course, but it takes a little bit of time. It requires some effort. If you don't have any existing digital products you can sell, you can do one-on-one coaching sessions. It doesn't require extensive preparation from you. You just need to show up to the session and share your expertise. And finally, the best feature on NAS.io. You can send newsletters to all your members in just a few clicks. You can create newsletters that provide additional value, such as industry insights, personal advice, or exclusive news. Let's try it out. Write your message and choose the audience you want to send it to. The message will first be sent as an email. If the email isn't open, Magic Reach will know. It will then find the best way to send your message to make sure it's opened and read. One great thing about NAS.io is its analytics feature. You can see who the most and least engaged members of your community are, where your community members come from, and most importantly, how much money you are earning. So there you have it. 4 ways to make money from your Telegram group. Start setting up your Telegram community now. It only takes less than 5 minutes. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more content like this.